Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into how to transfer XRP from Bitrue to Kraken in 2025. If you're holding XRP on Bitrue and want to move it over to Kraken for trading or storage, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and straightforward. Let's get started. First off, before we jump in, ensure you have verified accounts on both Bitrue and Kraken. Also, double-check that you have XRP in your Bitrue wallet and understand any potential fees involved in the transfer. Security is key, so always use two-factor authentication. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section and select XRP. Look for the Withdraw button. That's where the magic happens. Step 2. On the withdrawal page, you'll need the Kraken deposit address. So, open a new tab and log into your Kraken account. Go to the Funding section, select XRP, and choose the deposit option. Make sure you're on the correct network. For 2025, it's likely the XRP Ledger network, so verify that to avoid any issues. Step 3. Copy the Kraken deposit address carefully. Back on Bitrue, paste this address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Review all the details, address, amount, and network, then hit Confirm. Step 4. Once confirmed, you'll get a transaction ID. Keep an eye on it through a blockchain explorer if you want to track progress. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Step 5. After the transfer is complete, log back into Kraken and check your XRP balance in the Funding or Assets section. If everything went smoothly, your XRP should be there. A quick tip: always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works. In 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so stay updated on any new requirements from Bitrue or Kraken. That's it, you've successfully moved your XRP. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.